Hey guys, Drummer1JVYJ here, and today we are playing some more Animal Jam. So in this video, we are going to be playing, Animal Jam. So before this, I act like I got hacked, and yeah, I did all this, and took away all my clothes, and then I put this on trade. Well, I bought 2 of the necklaces, and someone traded me that. So yeah, and I asked all my buddies not to be mean on me. Everything, everything, everything. So I'm going to be doing a mailtime, a fake mailtime. So now I'm just going to be going through it. So from Wolves Rock, I got giant bubblegum machine. Don't look like it. Well, yeah, it does. Whoa. That was from Lucky Bunny. And Ashen Cheer sent pearl bracelet. Okay, sorry. Really? You did not. I don't anymore. So yeah. That was like the shortest Meltime video ever, but my voice, it just like keeps messing up. So yeah. What should I do now? Something's stuck in my throat. Water. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Got water. Pushing in my chair. Alright, so need to drink water. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Have a gemalistic day. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys. Bye.